Hello, I'm working on a 2009 Dodge Caliber. I have here my Launch Pro 3s X431. So let's proceed. So we go into system selection, click on that. Since we're looking for a misfire, we're going to go into the PCM. Give it a few seconds. Then we're going to go into OBD2 monitors, include misfire. Click on that because I want to know which cylinder is misfiring, and this Pro 3S can tell me which one it is. So now we're going to scroll up, and it says here which cylinder is misfiring. We will click on that. And then, as you see here, we have a list. This engine is running. This is live. The misfire counters are going. I'll give it some gas. And if one of the cylinders misfires here, you'll see it on the scan tool. We got a cylinder 4 misfire, cylinder 1 misfire. And this is all very easy through this scan tool. I mean, you can diagnose your own cars, save yourself a ton of money by working on them yourself. And we have a cylinder 3 misfire, a cylinder 2 misfire. Without this tool, there's no way I would have known that which cylinders were misfiring. You need to have this if you're a weekend do-it-yourselfer or even a professional mechanic. This is an awesome tool to have in your arsenal. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.